I didn't think I showed you this. I might have showed you this from before, but see, I had them put sunbrella material on these chairs too. Those were white chairs. They came with this whole set. That's a very nice set. And I didn't have any choice. I had the white chair pads, and they got nasty really quick. And so I got the sunbrella material. I quite like that color. And I took that all apart. I even had to I took this off, and then I had to take a little piece of paneling, you know, 1/4 inch paneling, and I put that on the bottom of it, or actually on the top right here, before they put the existing pad, the foam pad back on, before they wrapped it. And that's how I did that. And now they match this over here, and these are drying right now. I just put Simple Green on them, as you saw, and I've got things cleaned up again. Might have to look at this chair too. This one, you know, it's actually wearing pretty good, and I quite like how it's got all the different round deals going on, because that's kind of easy to clean, something like this. But you know, Simple Green, baby. And you know what? Let me just show you this here real quick. I've got a stain. I've got a mark right here on the floor. You see those right there? Let's just keep it in like that. Let's see how the Simple Green does there. You see that mark? The coffee marks and stuff. Okay? Now you don't have to saturate the entire carpet. For fear that you're going to get water stains or something when it dries. That's just not going to happen. Look at that. See how nice and clean that gets it? Now I need to clean the carpet, but see, that's just from wear and a little dirt on there. Look at those white lines, will you? See all the areas around it? That tells me I've got to clean the carpets and stuff. But if you just have some spots here and there, see how white that is? I can't believe that. That's just one little bit of application. You see right here where this is darker? That's because this carpet needs to be cleaned. If I just do this right here, you'll see how good it gets. Just right this area. And so when I clean carpets, guess what I use for the cleaner in my carpet cleaning machine? I use Simple Green. That's because once I saturate the floor, Simple Green will continue working. It's working right now. It's got the little bubble guys in there churning away. Like that. Until this dries, it's still cleaning. So I don't even have to worry about rinsing it off or anything. And that's why I like to use that when I actually clean carpets. And if you look at different carpet cleaners, you'll see you're supposed to use their stuff, and then they say anything else might void their warranty or might get clogged. They say that just because they want you to buy their cleaner. Well, nothing doing. I use my Simple Green, and I just put in a little bit out of my 1 gallon container like that, and I'll put a little bit in there. I'll read the directions and stuff and see how much like for like that type of cleaner as opposed to a regular carpet cleaner. Okay, so there's another tip for you. Hey, it's all about tips. And I'm going to take a quick look at this floor, and I see some more spots here. See there? Nasty old spots, these people. What's going on here? I've got to keep my place clean. See? There's another one, there's another one. But with Simple Green, it comes right up, and usually you go over next to your couch or something. Sure enough, there's some more right there, right there, right there, over there. And so I'll do some spot cleaning before I get my carpet cleaner out. And I wasn't really going to show you my carpet cleaner. Nah, I'm not going to show it to you. I got it at Home Depot, and it works good, and I just put it together. And I had it stored in my cabinet. And I think I might have shown you some videos of that before. Peace. Ha. see here, I put this cabinet in here and I locked it all up, and I've got my carpet cleaner boxes fit in there. I would have opened that and showed you, but I got it locked and the keys in the other room. Okay, but I put this cabinet in there. I cut my shelf down and I put this in, and I had to take my upper shelf. Actually, this one was up higher, but if you have a shelf that's about right in here, you can cut that. In fact, I think, no, yeah, I might have done that in my other room. I might have had to cut the shelf. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Yeah, see this shelf. See, this one isn't as high, and so right up against the cabinet, I cut it. You see? Here's my cabinet. Here's my cabinet, and I cut my shelf back to here. See? And then I put my cabinet in there. Isn't that nice? Look, I even got my golf clubs in there now. And then you can close this, and then you can slide your closet door closed. Isn't that nice? And so I did that in both of my cabinets. Now we're talking storage. I didn't know this video was going to be about finding more storage space. You see? And that worked. And I can take my chairs, and I can put my chairs right back in there. And I got all this locked up, so when I leave, kaboom. Here's some more storage. You wanna stick around? Here, I put a cabinet above the toilet area, and I've locked that up, put storage in there. And I even did something nice. I got a nice black master padlock, and I got a nice black hasp there, so it kind of matches. Okay, and I made some more storage. You want more storage than that? Okay, I'll show you some more. You can have storage out here. If you have a microwave here, you can put a padlock up there, and you can have storage up there where nobody can reach. You want more storage? Here's some more storage. You can get an armoire like this. I used to have a leather mirror right here, and this is just a cubby area. I put an armoire there, locked it all up, and I put storage shelves in there, and that's storage. Okay, you want more storage? Okay, here's a little bathroom. Here's a little bathroom in here. I put these two cabinets. I put those cabinets in right there, and I put some more shelves in there. Look at all that. All that stuff, extra storage, baby. These used to be upper cabinets in a kitchen, and I flipped one upside down, and I got both sides matching on the side. The sides over here are white because they went back to back, and then I flipped the doors around so I have all the handles right here, fit right in there. And then they only had one or two shelves, and so they were adjustable, so I put in some more adjustable shelves. Boom, boom, boom. There's more storage for you. Okay? I got storage coming out in my ears. And I've got stuff up in my loft even too, and I put a ladder, got a ladder up in here. Where did I get the ladder from? Well, here's my ladder, but I don't leave it out. Where do I keep it? I'll put it underneath the bed. Okay? You got a master, if you got a king size bed, you can slip a ladder under there. Okay? There's all kinds of things you can do for extra storage. Don't tell me you don't have any room for storage. Be creative. Think about your different projects and do what you need to do. Here's another storage idea for you. Here's the kitchen area, and see, here's your drawers right next to a stove, and you've got this whole area here. It's empty. There's nothing under it. Well, how could you get under there? Well, if you've got a little area kind of like this, what you could do is you could cut a hole out right here, and then you can fashion a cabinet. You can slip it in there. You can put a face frame around here, and you can lock that up or whatever, and you can have a nice, all that area it could be used now. See right in there? You see what I'm saying? You've got from here back, all that is wasted space. How wasteful was that when they designed this? Okay? There's another tip for your storage needs. Just a few short hours later, yes, these are the same chair pads. They're all nice and dry now. Sunbrella material, baby. That's the kind you want if you're going to replace them, or if you're looking for new ones. See if they have that. They have all kinds of designs. I just happened to get this. This is what they had, and it goes perfectly in my condo. Okay. Yeah, you probably wanted to see this arm here too. See, this is all dry now. I had some marks in here. They look pretty good. It looks pretty good now. It looks like maybe I need just a hair more scrubbing on that. I'll let that go for now and take a look at it later. But overall, I'd say the simple green did its business. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.